Success doesn't come from hard work alone. It comes from knowing exactly how to approach it. So, what's the perfect mindset for growth? The Ayano-Koji mindset is about constant self-assessment, focusing on strategic moves rather than effort alone. Don't waste time on things that don't matter. Instead, analyze your goals with precision. Be calm, be calculated, and eliminate distractions. Focus on the small, consistent improvements day after day. It's not about being busy, it's about being effective. Understand your strengths, refine your weaknesses, and always stay 10 steps ahead in your planning. True growth happens when you stop reacting to life and start controlling it with careful decision-making. Your growth begins the moment you stop wasting time. Assess yourself, plan strategically, and execute relentlessly. Are you ready to take control of your future?